These are the elevators at the Hyatt Place Hotel, Lone Tree, Colorado. This is near the Park Meadows Mall. I believe these used to be US elevators that have been modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. Pretty nice cabs. It smells like breakfast food in here. These were recent mods. Still hydro, big bump there. This thing got cold. Going up? Yeah. Which floor are you on? Floor. You have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Of course. Door close does not work. Hello. ThyssenKrupp trick still works on these. This is probably gonna be the only video I get of these. I wouldn't be surprised if I don't do it again just because these things are kind of generic. The hotel itself is nice though. Capacity. Alright, there it goes. And up yet. And here's my room. Room 506. Just take a look. Now, just as a side note, we already saddled in here and got everything set down, so it's a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Huge room. This is different than the Hyatt place that we stayed at in Sharonville. I think this one's also a little bit older. So you walk in, right by the door, you got this huge sofa, which is very nice with a nice painting up there. Yes, this is a sofa sleeper, so that's neat. With a nice little nightstand right here next to it. You have plenty of lighting in this room. Over here, we could say it's kind of a kitchenette, but it's not really a kitchenette. You got a mirror here, plus a sink, the ice bucket, coffee maker, and a fridge. I don't know what's under here. There's the safe. That's neat. Here's the desk. Very nice desk. I wish I brought my laptop with me on this trip, but I didn't. That would have been really nice to use. And then right here, this is actually kind of unique, but also kind of cool. So this just makes it simpler for you to plug in your devices in the TV, I'm pretty sure, and change inputs, so you don't have to use these. You just use these instead. So that's neat. Speaking of TVs, we got a LG flat screen TV here. Pretty nice. I'm not gonna bother turning it on, but you also got some cubbies underneath here for clothing, I'd assume. You got two, I believe, double beds. They seem nice. There's a nice little nightstand here, an alarm clock with some hotel telephone and outlets. The beds feel pretty firm and nice, and the pillows feel nice and fluffy. There's the window and the air conditioning unit. I don't know if it's controlled on the wall or in here. It's controlled in here. And here's my view. You can probably barely see Park Meadows popping into the frame there. Home Depot, a vacant Bed Bath & Beyond and all that. Also, you can see some mountains off in the distance, which is nice. A very nice view. Over here is like kind of the bathroom-esque area. You have a closet over here. The ironing board. Plenty of hangers and space to put clothes and stuff. Got a giant mirror here. There's clothes, which are like drawers, probably assumed to be the dresser. You have a garbage can. There's a sink. Put the sink outside the bathroom here, so. And then here's the actual bathroom. Pretty small, but I mean, not too bad. Kind of weird how the light's there and not here, but there is an air vent here. With like a mini fan. There's a nice painting there. Here's the toilet. Don't know what kind it is, but I'll still flush it. And then here is the shower. It's got a full bathtub, a slightly arched shower curtain. There's the shower head. It tilts all the way over there for some reason, but yeah, it's okay. You have the towel rack with the towels in here, and they take care of soaps for you. So that's very nice, and a mirror on the door. So yeah, overall, pretty nice room. For me, being accommodated into here for the next 3 nights, this should be a good enough room, and I will give you my final thoughts